on my last straw. I'm broken and I'm woken up. I'm done feeding your lies. I've had enough. I can't run your place in this faulty game. And all the words you speak mean nothing more to me, 'cause I'd start over.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. If you're new to my channel, you are most definitely welcome in today. If you have subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell, so with that you'll be notified when I have a brand new video on my channel. All the goodie returning, thank you. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this look using this two-faced tickled. Anyway guys, today I'm going to be coming up to you with this makeup tutorial I have right now. This is a super glamorous full coverage makeup look. Okay, this is another holiday makeup look. To achieve this look, I use this two-faced tickled peach palette. I hope I pronounce it well. Very beautiful, so amazing. It's very beautiful, as you can tell. To work with it was super amazing, and the pigment is bomb. Other than that, the rest product I use, as always, is going to be listed in the description box. Please do go and check it out if there is anything you want. Further ado, if you're interested, you want to see how I put this look from 0 to 100, you already know what to do. If you watch this video to the end, if you stop at the middle, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Please leave a comment and let me know what you want to see on my next video. Okay, please leave a request, it means a lot to me. Okay, without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. No long talking. As always, don't forget to do you. Stay pretty, stay blessed. I will see you all in my next video. Take care. Mwah. So to start up guys, I'm going to be doing my brow. I'm going to be using a brow pencil today. It has been a minute since I used a brow pencil. I'm going to be using this Catrice brow stylist, if you guys can read that. So yeah, and I'm loving the pigment of this pencil. Okay, it is very strong, so I'm not going to be priming my brow before. I'm not going to be setting it before. I'm just going to go straight ahead and draw the stroke. The shade is in perfect brown. The problem I have with a brow pencil is that when it's very strong, so you just have to, you know, put more pressure. They are not twins. Okay, with your concealer you can make it perfect. And I also like the fact that it has a spoolie at the other side, taking the Sacha Buttercup. You guys know concealer, foundation instead of concealer. Apply a bit of the back of my hand using my concealer brush. So I'm going to be taking this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. This one is an original. I'm still going to apply another base on top, but this is just going to make my eyelid from not creasing, prevent from oiling. The reason why I want to apply this on top, because when you apply this eyeshadow base, before you apply your eyeshadow, the pigment is not popping the way you want. So that is why I'm going to be applying other eyeshadow base on top of this one. The second eyeshadow base, I'm going to be taking this Lancome eyeshadow base, and I'm going to be using this Real Technique brush to apply that. I'm just going to dab it to my lid. I'm not going to swipe it. I'm just going to use that brush, the one I used to blend in my concealer. I'm just blending the edges. I'm going to go in with my Real Technique sponge just to make it smooth. To achieve this look guys, I'm going to be using this two-faced tickled peach palette, tickled palette. My transition color, I'm going to be taking this shade right here, which is called Peach Spice. I'm taking this brush from BH Cosmetics. What am I even saying guys? I wasn't expecting the pigment to be really popping like the way it's doing right now. So the next shade I'm going to be taking is called Love Pits. This shade right here is a very beautiful orange. color, this shade right here. Check that out, the color, like seriously, the color, the pigment. To blend out the edges, I'm taking this Zoeva 231 brush. I'm just going to take that peach spice, this one right here. What happened? What happened? My light just went off. What happened? What happened? My light just went off, guys. Did you notice that? Excuse me. Oh my word, guys, like seriously, I'm just like to flip up. My light just went off with my crazy mistakes. My legs switch it off under of my desk. Wow, like seriously, I was like, you know, thank God it was not that bad. Go in with this Patrickstarr collaboration with MAC, which is the first collaboration. I'm going to be taking this shade right here. Normally this is a kind of a shimmer shade, but I'm just going to apply that to my crease because this look is going to be dramatic. So guys, I'm going to go in once again with the Tickled Peach palette by Too Faced. I'm going to be taking that shade called Love Pit. I'm just going to apply it on top of that blue. This is how I want to build the color that I want. I just want this look to have that kind of curiosity, that kind of a fantasy. You can't really tell when you see it on Instagram. You can't really tell how does she do it. So this is the kind of look I'm going for. This side look a bit messy, but don't worry, we are going to work our way out. Crease, and I'm taking my concealer brush. I'm going to be doing full cut crease. I'm not doing a half cut crease today So for my lid, I'm going to be taking this shade called Plum Fawn. For my inner corner, I'm going to let it like so because I'm going to be applying another color. So far, what I noticed about this Tickled Peach palette, that you really need to be gentle because it has a little bit fallout. I'm going to be taking this shade called Parisna Peach, this shade right here, and I'm just going to apply that on my inner corner. This shade. See how that Parisna Peach, Parisna, yeah, Parisna. You see how it just pop up this look. I was really guys, trust me, I was already fed up with the look because it was looking so dull. Professional matte rescue, professional matte rescue, clean. Always damn beauty blender. Always use a clean beauty blender to apply your makeup or your foundation or your primer. Okay, like seriously guys, my look today, I don't like necklace. Anytime I put necklace on wear necklace, I look like a dog. Simple as that. I look like a dog. Look at like how I'm looking now. I'm not feeling the vibe of me. I'm taking this MAC 116 brush to buff that to my very softly, very softly. Foundation, I'm going to be mixing these two foundations together. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Perfect Match foundation in Cappuccino, and this one is in Esteelauder Double Wear number 6 W1 Solid Wood. Okay, these two foundation. To set my face, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless powder. And I'm using the same brush, the one I used before, which is the MAC 116. In 2 concealer, I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Fix Concealer in NW. Where's the shade? Right here, NW42. And I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Full Coverage Concealer in the shade is Dark Natural. These 2 right here. Gotta work my way out. I'm going to be using my Real Technique sponge. So I'm going to be using my Sacha Buttercup to set the area I highlight. No, before I do that, I need to contour. Makeup Revolution conceal&define concealer in the shade in number 15. Taking a smaller sponge. So I'm going to be using this girl line bronzer in Ebony. I'm going to be lining my eye. Okay, I'm going to be using my baby girl, which is the Maybelline Eyestudio gel liner.
I'm broken and broken up. I'm done.
And I'm going to use the same liner to line my waterline.
I've had enough. I can't run your place.
How many times am I going to say take it? I'm going to be taking this blue shade from the Patrickstarr palette, and I'm just going to blow that on my lower lash line.
Start over now.
I'm done. I'm out of here. I'm done. It has no name, okay? I got it when I traveled to Paris, okay? It has no name on it. Excuse that. Maybe I'm going to look for the name, of course, put it in the description box. So yeah, this is the blush. This is how it looks like, and I'm going to be taking the Soeva 126 cake finish brush. This is how it looks like. It's a very beautiful blush. To highlight my face, I'm going to be taking this palette by Love, and I'm taking this shade right here, this 2 shade, and the brush I'm using to apply this is by Beige Cosmetics. So for my inner corner, I'm taking this 6 Plus small round brush. Taking Mario Badescu Rose Water. I'm just going to spray it all over my face. So for mascara, I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Better Than Sex. For lipstick, I'm going to be taking this Smashbox liquid lipstick, and the name is called Miss Conduct's Always On. I'm going to be applying my lately favorite lip gloss, and this one is by Catrice Lip Glance. I've been loving this lip gloss. It goes with every lip color you apply on your lips. Like seriously, it's just so amazing. It's a 2 shade. This one is champagne, and the other one is a peachy color. It's beautiful, and the pigment is just so amazing, and it's something else. Guys, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Excuse the brow.